Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to animate single elements in Canva Video Editor. So just open up your video project in Canva and then let me just drag this video onto here so that we can start working. Right guys, so you can then click on the individual photographic or text box on your canvas that you wish to animate. Look at the top floating editing toolbar and click Animate. And in here you have the element animations and text animations. So whatever you want to choose, go ahead with it. Hover any animation optional also to preview how it moves on your canvas. Say digital. Let me choose this. Then animate where, say on center. Okay, now we have our animation. If we play it, also depending on the animation, you will also be able to adjust the speed and direction and text motion style that I've already shown you as well. So that is it guys, and you can do this with anything, not only with videos, you can do that with photos, elements, and whatever you wish. That is it for this one guys, enjoy.